You know, this morning is just an amazing celebration of not only our students' success, their hard work and their commitment to their studies and their sacrifice to do so well in school, but it really was a nice way for our those that donate to our Grossmont College Foundation to come and sometimes hand out the awards and be a part of meeting that student and encouraging that student to pursue their educational goal.
We've given 2 scholarships to Grossmont College and 1 to Cuyamaca, primarily in honor of my father, who was a longtime community college, and they called them junior colleges back then, instructor. He was also a computer person, taught computers after he retired at the local senior center. And he was also a theater lover, so we've given a scholarship here for the computer sciences program and 1 for the theater arts department.
One of the things that's really great about being able to support students here at Grossmont College is the fact that we recognize that California community colleges are the cheapest education in the entire United States, but at the same time, many of our students are having to work while they're also trying to study as well as raise families, and we know that this money can go a long ways really in making sure that they can still go to school, and I think that that's really important as we look forward to the future of the United States and in fact the world about the need for education.
Our OSHA campaign, it's a scholarship that assists those who have the most financial needs in a way that will continue forever. For every $13,500 we're able to solicit, it's matched at 50%, and then $1,000 is the minimum return on that. And then the awards are made not just once, not just twice, but forever. And with a very dedicated and working foundation board, this separate corporation, which supports just Grossmont College, we're able to solicit funds through our galas, our golf tournaments, and through other activities that we do to raise money, and then the students are able to see some of the programs that take place here on campus with the result of our success on raising funds.
For me, it enables me to keep coming to school, to not have to spend all my time working, and to keep paying my expenses so I can keep coming to school.
I feel so blessed to be awarded this scholarship. It's made known to me that miracles are possible and has given me the courage and the strength and the bravery to go through and write what I have to say, write what's in my heart, and let other people know that dreams do come true. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
But I've got to say, while it's a very happy day for these students that are here, it makes all of us, faculty, staff, administrators at Grossmont College, very, very concerned that because of the state budget cuts over the next, frankly, over the past few years and what we think is coming for next year, devastating cuts that we can't imagine, we're really afraid that the next generation of community college students that want to get into college in California next year really will not be able to even get through the front doors. And that is really a shame because it's the economic engine of our state, and we're the place where people fulfill their hopes, their dreams, and their full potential. And so while we're very happy for these students and their accomplishments, we're just gravely, gravely concerned about the next generation that want to be here to fulfill their dreams as well, and keeping our doors open.